Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SoFi Invest to trade and manage money, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type SoFi Invest in the search bar. Click the official SoFi website link. Once on the site, navigate to the Invest section. Locate the Get Started button and click it. You will be directed to the Sign Up page. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from SoFi. Click the confirmation link in the email. Return to the SoFi website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Provide necessary information such as your date of birth and social security number. Next, you will be asked several questions about your investment experience. Choose the options that best describe your background. Afterward, link your bank account for funding your investment account. This step may require entering your bank account details. SoFi may offer instant verification for some banks. Follow the prompts to add the funding source. Once your bank account is linked, review the funding options available. Decide on the amount you want to deposit to start investing. Confirm the amount and complete the funding process. Now you can explore the SoFi Invest platform. Familiarize yourself with the available features such as stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.